Hey, Kurt here from the 410 Bridge. This video is all about Haiti and currently what's happening in our Haitian communities relative to COVID-19. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you again to everybody for your words of encouragement, checking on our staff, both in the U.S. and in country. We're grateful for that. It's really encouragement to us. Keep those coming. I'm going to be doing videos specifically for each country where we work, probably on a weekly basis. This particular video is for Haiti. If you partner with us in Kenya or Guatemala, you might want to go and look for those videos on the same channel. Again, I'll be trying to do these weekly just to give everybody an update. Lots of people are asking, and this is probably the most efficient way to do that. So again, this video is about Haiti. There are a few cases of COVID-19 in Haiti. They've taken as swift action as they can. The environment in Haiti, as you know, if you've been there, would be very difficult to keep the virus from spreading, especially in the urban areas. I don't know how social distancing, frankly, is even possible in a place like Port-au-Prince. We work in rural communities. They are less impacted. We don't know of any reported cases of the virus in rural communities yet, but we're keeping a close eye on that. As you can imagine, Haiti, poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, would find it next to impossible to absorb or handle any kind of a massive outbreak of the virus. And so we're watching that very carefully. And so we would really love to have you pray for the people of Haiti. They have had such a difficult last couple years with the civil unrest, the oil issues, government issues, and now the virus issues. They need our prayers, and we're here to continue to try to help them help themselves to the extent that we can in this time. So currently in our communities, though, there are really two big gaps. The first gap is food insecurity. Very similar to Kenya, there's a lot of price gouging happening in the rural communities. In Haiti, the border to in and out of the DR, we believe was temporarily closed. Well, we know it was temporarily closed. We believe it reopened, and so that has disrupted the food supply in many, many ways. If you've followed Haiti during any kind of a natural disaster, even from Hurricane Michael in 2016, you know that getting food to the rural communities is very difficult. Transportation is at risk, and so we are looking at ways of trying to help in a healthy way. And so our staff has put together a plan now that we're reviewing. It's a fairly comprehensive plan of what we can do in our communities to help them not only address the food insecurity problem, but also the health and hygiene issues. We're going to be putting posters up in the communities talking about hand washing, social distancing, and those types of things, doing whatever we can to keep that virus out of our communities. The other issue in our communities is education. The schools have all been closed until further notice. So kids are not going to school. We, through our volunteers of our Discovery Kids program, again, Discovery Kids is the program that we run in our schools that teaches Christian worldview lessons through kind of experiential, fun crafts and lessons around biblical virtues. And so the volunteers from the local churches and the teachers in our communities are looking at a plan to try to distribute lessons home by home and try to keep kids at least in an educational mindset. And so we may try to figure out a more efficient way to do that. That's not the best solution, certainly. It's a tremendous amount of work for these volunteers in our communities. But since they are not allowing mass meetings of people, we have to figure out how to do that in accordance to the law and the guidelines from the Haitian government. So we're trying to do that. As those things change, I will keep you updated. The biggest issue would be the food disruption issue, and we're trying to figure out exactly what we can do about that. So we would cover your prayers for, again, the Haitian people, our U.S. staff, our Haitian staff. They are working really hard to do what they can for the people of Haiti as quickly as we can. So thanks again for everything you do. Thanks for your continued support. We'll probably be creating Haiti relief funds, we already still have a Haiti restoration fund from the civil unrest last year, but We have to get kids back into school, get feeding programs back up and going, and see if we can address this food issue from a relief perspective now, not from a development perspective. And so that's an important distinction. Again, relief needs to be immediate and short term, and that's our kind of our core value, and that's what we're going to go do. So that's the end of this video. Thanks again. Again, if you're looking for anything on Kenya or Guatemala, go back to this channel wherever you found this video, and I'll do separate videos for each of those countries. So thanks again for all you do. We're grateful, grateful, grateful for your support.